What the heck is that? Lian Li dropped an 8.8-inch screen that can literally be mounted anywhere. I need all the info now. So the screen is available in black and in white, and it measures 8.8 inches, and we've got this really clean frame going around it. Then if we take a look at the back, we have 12 total screw holes. We have 4 over here, 4 in the middle, and then 4 on this side. And that's so you can mount this bracket to it. This could fix in either one of those locations. And then if you take a look at this side, we have 2 connections. We have one right here, then we have one right here, because one of the included cables is this one, where this cable will plug into either one of those ports. So depending on where you're mounting it, for the cleanest possible look, you can plug it into either one. And that actually goes to a USB 2.0 plug, which will plug into your motherboard. Or you can plug that USB 2.0 plug into this little connection right here, which is kind of an extension cable, and that goes to USB-A. So there's multiple ways to connect this to your PC. Then in the kit, we've got the instructions for how to install it. We've got 2 pieces of adhesive if you don't want to use this bracket right here. So say something like an O11 Vision Compact, you can attach the adhesive to the back and then mount it above the motherboard tray. We've got some fan screws right here. We've got the screws needed to secure this bracket to the back of the screen. And then taking a look at the bracket, this is actually the spacing for a 120 millimeter fan. And it also comes with this piece right here, which could bolt to the end right here. And this is the distance for a 140 millimeter fan. So depending on what fans you're running, you have multiple mounting options. And this bracket is extremely versatile. You can move it left and right. You can move it forward and back. You can rotate the head any way you want. You can also rotate this bottom piece, but let's go ahead and mount this to the screen and see what it looks like. So here is just one of the many mounting methods that you can use for the screen. I've got it actually fixed to my rear fan right now in the back, and I'm just using a stock Lian Li template with this really cool samurai woman and some PC vitals. And one thing I didn't realize is there's actually an inner light that goes all the way around the screen, and you can change it to any color you'd like, any style you'd like. And right now I've just got it set to white to match the rest of my fans. And then if we take a look at how I mounted it, I removed these 2 screws from the fan, and then I put the bracket right here and then just screwed them back in, and it is nice and secure. And I have the connection coming out right here, and then it's going to a USB-A port. But keeping that mounting method in mind, you can mount it to the bottom fans, the front fans, the top fans. You could use it externally. There's pretty much no end to how you could use this screen. So overall, I think this is really cool, and I'm definitely going to be utilizing this for future builds.